Adam here from Solar and Sat. We've just got Kevin's Avida Motorhome here. We've just done an Enerdrive battery powered system in it, and we've also just installed the Pro Max to 2 TVs, including 2 vast boxes. We'll go inside and we'll have a look what we've done. Okay, so we'll take a run through this Enerdrive system in this Avida Motorhome. We'll start with the B-Tec 200 amp hour Lithium, the 2000 watt inverter with the AC built-in transfer switch. We've also got the 40 amp 240 volt charger and the DC plus Enerdrive regulator. We've also installed the off and on switch here for the inverter for easy access, and then we also have the power point up there to run the microwave, kettle or toaster. We'll fire the inverter up now, and we're going to give this 2200 watt kettle a bit of a run and see what sort of amperage it's taken out of the battery. The inverter fans have kicked in, so it means that the inverter is working fairly hard, and we're now minus 147 amps. Here we've installed the Satking Pro Max Controller. That controls the whole unit, and it's also paired up with 2 4921 Altech Decoder boxes. So we've installed the 200 watt solar panel on the roof, also 2 130 watt solar panels into the customer's existing 2 80 watt solar panels, and then we've also installed the Satking Pro Max on the roof today. If you're interested in an Enerdrive system like this one we've installed here, or a Satking Pro Max to 2 TVs, come and see us at Solar and Sat, Enterprise Street, Bundaberg.